Africa style gem squash. I've taken a big one, I've washed it, I've cut it in half. It's got cling film on it, it's come out of the microwave. It's been in the microwave for 10 minutes. It's such a big one. I've left the pips in, for a few sprinkles of water, salt, pepper, a bit of coriander, some peri-peri powder, and a little bit of paprika. It's cooked for 10 minutes. And it's ready now, and I'm just going to now add the final touches to it, which is some cheese. I'm using some cheese on top. You don't have to use cheese, but I'm wanting cheese on. Don't worry about the mess. So I'm just putting it at the same time. And that's going to go in there now, or in the microwave, to melt that lovely mozzarella cheese. Go on for 2.5 minutes. There you have it. It's cooked in the microwave nicely. I like a little bit of extra hot in mine, so I'm having some Nando's garlic sauce, just a little bit extra for me. Delicious. Try it. Obviously, if children don't like peri-peri, you don't have to use peri-peri. You can alternate the spices. Use your imagination. Try it, enjoy it, love it. Hope you like it. Bye for now.